Hello guys. So if you're troubled by the ads showing on different websites, for example this websites, you can see the ads, or if you're watching YouTube videos and you see ads all the time before the video starts or on the right sidebar. So to remove these kind of ads what you see on websites or anywhere else on internet, what we can do, we can install AdBlocker extension in Chrome. To install AdBlocker extension, what you need to do is open Chrome browser, click here on three dots, and then hover on extension, and then click on visit Chrome web store. And now from here we can find different kind of extension what we can install on our Chrome browser. So here to search the store, we'll write here AdBlock, and then click AdBlock. Now you will see the three best AdBlock extensions. So you can see these have very good ratings, but we're gonna install the first one. It is featured and it got almost 300,000 ratings, and the rating is really good, around 4.5. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna click on this first one, AdBlock, best ad blocker, and now we'll click on add to Chrome, and you see this pop up here, add ad blocker, best ad blocker. It can read and change all your data on all website. Then I will click on add extension, and then you'll see the screen installing AdBlock. And then you'll see this message here. If you want to give them a donation, you can do that, but for this video I'll not give any donation. It is a free extension, so I'll just close this page. So now if I go to this website, you can see there are ads here. If I refresh this page now, you can see there's no more ads on this website anymore. If I go to YouTube, if I refresh the YouTube, you can see there's no more ads here. You cannot see any ad on the video, and you cannot see any ad on the right side. One more thing guys, right now you cannot see the extension here. So what you can do, you can click on this extension icon and then click on pin. So when you pin this icon, you'll see ad blocker here. Next very important thing, sometimes some websites want you to disable ad blocker if you want to access the website. So in that case, if a website wants you to disable the ad blocker, what you can do, you can go to the website and then click on this icon here, and then you can say pause on this site. Depends on which site you want to do it. Open the website in browser and then click on extension icon, and then pause on site. Either you can do once or you can do always. If there is a website I use frequently, I will do always. For example, if I do always on this website, now when I refresh this website, I will start seeing ads again. And if I just click here on this one, and then I can do unpause ad block. So now the ads will block on the website. Guys, if you like this video, it get you some help, please don't forget to like the video, share this video with somebody, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There's so many useful videos on my channel.